Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The end of the prophethood of Muhammad. According to Islamic belief, Muhammad's role was to serve as a messenger for good, delivering God's word, the Quran, and acting as a model for Muslims. After 23 years of acting as a prophet of good, his mission was complete. The Quran was finalized and recorded on scrap of parchment, letter, and bone, but more importantly, memorized complete by many of Muhammad's companions. The pre-Islamic tradition of memorizing long poems gave the Arabs the ability to maintain and ensure the preservation of Islam's holy book. Narration of Muhammad's action and saying were also given the importance and spread throughout Arabia by word of mouth. According to Islamic tradition, one of the final verses of the Quran revealed to Muhammad said, "Today I have perfect for you your religion and complete my favor upon you and have approved for you Islam as your religion." Muhammad fell ill in the early summer. He experienced debilitating headaches and a fever, and has soon unable to walk without the help of his cousin Ali and his uncle Abbas. When he was unable to lead the 5 daily prayers in the mosque, he appointed his close friend and companion Abu Bakr to lead them in his place. He spent his final day in the house of his wife Aisyah, the daughter of Abu Bakr, from a wall adjoining the home to the mosque. He was able to watch the Muslim community follow his instruction to worship God even in his absence. It was no but an emotional time for his followers who had been with him throughout the difficult day in Mecca. The first battle against Quraysh, where he established his authority and his triumphant bloody conquest of Mecca. The had looked to Muhammad for guidance and leadership in all aspects of life. His increasing talk of death and the fact that he was now unable to even reach up to lead them in prayer played heavily on the dares of the Muslim community. His final day were spent resting in his home with his head in the lap of his wife Asia. Close family members and friends visited, hoping to see some sign of recovery in their leader. But one of the central aspects of Islam was compromising monotheism. Muhammad preached that only good is divine. All other creatures, whether they were animals, humans, or even angels, would experience death according to Islamic belief. Thus will they were prepared for his passing. Recognizing that Islam would indeed continue after him, Muhammad's followers deeply emotionally invested in this man that had led them out of the era of pre-Islamic polytheism and tribal wars, could not imagine life without him. On 8 June, with his head on Aisyah's lap and his followers gathered in the mosque hoping to hear of this recovery, the first era of Islam history spanning the 23 years of prophethood ended as the Prophet Muhammad breathed his last. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.